Power supply units are used to create a stable voltage and current for powering electric circuits. They typically contain two or more physically separate power supplies inside the unit. There are many makes and models with different features and different power ratings, but they are all designed to provide a stable supply for driving and testing circuits. Most commonly they're direct current, but AC power supplies are also available. The voltage and current can be set accurately within the range of the power supply. When connecting the power supply, it's important to check the voltage and current are not set above the rating of the circuit, or it could be damaged. Power supply units have one or more sets of terminals, positive, negative, and earth. Recent models can be virtual devices which are controlled with an app rather than physical dials, but they work in the same way. In most circuits which don't have an initial high starting current requirement, the current limit can be set to reduce the risk of damage if a faulty circuit is being tested. Multiple power supplies can be combined in series to produce voltages above the maximum of a single supply. Connecting two supplies in series will add the outputs of both together. For instance, two 31-volt outputs connected in series will produce 0 volts at the negative and 62 volts at the positive. Connecting two power supplies can also be used to produce a positive and negative supply, often used in operational amplifier circuits. If two supplies are connected in series and a connection to earth is made between them, a positive and negative voltage can be obtained with respect to ground. For two 31-volt supplies, this would be measured as minus 31 volts and plus 31 volts with respect to ground. Most power supply units have a sharing function, so they can be connected in parallel as a master and slave to produce the same voltage and double the available current. Finally, some supplies have a remote sensor facility to compensate for voltage drop across wires connecting the power supply to the load, and to ensure that the supply at the end of the wires is the desired rating.